Hello coding friends, it is great to have you back here on Async YouTube channel, where we break down the latest and greatest in JavaScript to help you level up your coding game. Whether you are just starting out or you've been in the game for years, there is always something new to learn. And today we are unlocking a powerful JavaScript feature called top level await. That's going to enhance your coding process. Eager to explore? Let's jump right in. What is top level await? This one allows us to use the async keyword directly at the top level of a module without needing to wrap it inside an async function. And this one makes it easier to work with asynchronous code in modules, especially when you need to perform asynchronous operations like fetching data or reading a file before the module is executed. And before the top level await, imagine you are writing a JavaScript module where you need to fetch some data before your module can do anything else. Before the top level await was introduced, you have to wrap your code in an async function to use it. Let's see some code example to help you better understand this one. I have my HTML and my JavaScript, and this is a preview. Let's begin the traditional way to fetch data using async await. And we're gonna fetch some list of posts from JSONPlaceholder API, and gonna have a function called fetch post. And in here, we are using the fetch API by awaiting the response. And then on the response, we have to await it by getting the raw data, and we are returning from this function. Now, we're going to need an async function to handle the await to be able to get the result. So in here, we're going to have a function called init, and inside, we're going to await the function that is a fetch post, and we can log the result. Lastly, we have to call the function as init. With this one, let's see the result in the console, and we have the list of posts from the JSON placeholder. As you can see for this one, it is a lot. Now, with a new feature called top level await, let's see how it's going to simplify this process. And in here, we are going to directly fetch the post with the top level await keyword. So in here, I don't need any async function. All what I need is to bring await in front of my API call, and that is it. And I can also await the response and get the actual data. So with this one, if I log this one, let's see the result. Unfortunately, it says that await is only valid in async functions. So this means that we have to configure the way we are using the JavaScript by passing in the type called module. And with this one, we can use the new feature called the top level await. And there we go, we have the result. As you can see, the top level await simplifies our logic for us. So I can remove these guys and I can maintain this one, and we have the result. So guys, this is how we can use the top level await to simplify our development process. Catch you up in my next video.